You ready?
Oh shit. Oh, bro.
You ready?
Yeah, dude. Oh no. Oh my god, bro.
What is going on, guys? Mr. R coming back to us with yet another video. And in today's video, as you guys could already tell by the title, I'm going to be telling you guys about how I messed up this transformation. I didn't really mess it up, but it didn't turn out how I wanted it to, and you guys will see at the end of the video what I mean by that. So strike number one is he came with his hair still in his braids. Usually that shouldn't be a problem, but as you guys already know, we just moved into this new barber shop and our sink isn't hooked up yet, so I couldn't even wash the hair after. But I didn't really see that as too much of a problem. So what I did is I took out the braids, I picked it out, untangled it, I cut it down, and then I was just gonna spray the hair, get it wet, and then blow dry it in the direction that it was gonna lay down. And that's what I did. So took out the braids, and then we had discussed we were gonna do a number 4 on top. So I didn't want to go in straight with the final number on top, just because I didn't know, like, his hair was so long. So I decided to go in with a number 6 and then do a number 4, just in case there's little inconsistencies in the hair, just to make sure we don't go too short in the spot or whatever. So I went in with the number 6, and then I went in with the number 4. So as you guys can see, I wet the hair and then blow dried it, but it's still sticking up. That's just how stubborn his hair was. So yeah, right now I'm going in with the number 4 and it's not laying down at all. I try like several times to just wet the hair and then blow dry it down, but you guys are gonna see it just wasn't cooperating. Right here, I'm just going over it again, making sure it's all even. I literally wet and dried his hair 4 or 5 times, but it just didn't want to stick down. You guys can see right here, his face is drenched. I put so much water, I'm massaging it into his scalp. The hair just isn't laying down, it just doesn't want to. So what I decided to do right here is I sprayed it, I got it wet, and then I put a bit of spritz, which is, if you guys don't know, it's like hairspray, it's like strong hairspray, and then I put the do-rag on, and then after that I blow dried it with the do-rag on. You guys are gonna see what happens, but I don't know what was happening. He told me that he didn't usually when you get your braids, between when you get your braids, you're supposed to let your hair out of braids for a few days just to let your scalp breathe. But he says that he told me that he would just get his braids out and then just get it rebraided. But yeah, right here we're taking the do-rag off, and this is what happens.
Bruh.
It's still sticking up. It just doesn't want to lay down. I don't know what's happening, but a half an hour has already passed. I remember turning my head after this and seeing it's already been a half hour. He was my last appointment though, so it didn't back me up, but it was time to get this fade on. So first thing I did is I took my number 2 guard open, just got rid of that bulk on the sides, and then right after that I went in with my clipper, the lever closed, and did that first skin guideline. Next up, I'm just taking my trimmers, coming up to that line. I didn't want to use my shavers on him just because I noticed his skin got a little irritated and like bumpy. So the shortest I went was with the trimmers. After that, we're going with the lever open, going up about 1/2 inch, and then we're fading that line out. So after that, I take my number 1 guard open, I go up about another 1/2 inch. You're gonna follow that up with the lever closed, and then there's still gonna be a little line, and you're gonna get rid of that line with the 1/2 guard. Don't forget, you're going to need to play with the lever to get rid of that line. So just remember, the lower you go, the more you close the lever. As you guys can see, the fade's coming together. It's looking good, other than that hair on top, that stubborn hair that's sticking up, doesn't want to go down. It was annoying me so much, man. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. You know, on the road to 1,000 subs, and then after that, on the road to 10,000 subs. So I know it's a big goal, but I know we could definitely do it. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. All right, and then right here, I'm just blending it into the top. So what I did is we already did the number 2 guard open, and then we closed that, so there's still that little line that we're going to get rid of with our number 1.5 guard. Alright, so I'm pretty much done the fade. Still have some touch-ups to do, but what I went ahead and did is I wet the hair again, put a bit of spritz, and then put the do-rag on, and then I let that air dry while I did the beard. I thought this was gonna help. It kind of did, but you guys will see. Anyways, just fading the beard in. I think I went with the number 2 guard open with the grain, but I kind of shaped it. I didn't like stick it to his face. I just shaped it, trimmed it out, and then we're just fading it out. And you guys will see, I never outline the top of the line with my trimmer. I just go straight in with my straight blade. Right here, lining him up. You want to keep that looking pretty natural to where in a week when it grows back, it doesn't look super ugly. So, you know, we're shaping that properly. And then right here, what I like to do is start at the bottom and then go to the top and then meet them together. Don't forget to pull the skin when you're doing this. This helps a lot. The more you pull the skin, the more it's gonna like curve the line. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so now what's going on in my head is I just spent 15 minutes doing his beard. This do-rag has been on, so the hair should lay down. This is what happened. It's still sticking up. So what I'm thinking right now is, if, as you guys can see at the front of his lineup, how am I supposed to line this up? Because the way his hair is, it's like a staircase. It doesn't, right there, that really high part in the middle of his lineup, there's no hair there, but if you go a bit to the left, hair starts growing there. So I don't want to push him back too bad, because that in a week is going to look horrible. So that's when I called the boss in and I was like, listen, what do I need to do right here? And he said, you need to take it down lower. So I took it down lower, and you guys could see right there, I took it down to number 2, and it really left that pattern of braid that he had before. He had like a line going straight down the middle. Nothing I could do about that, so I'm just gonna line him up right now to the best of my ability. Anyways, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I show the finished product at the end, but yeah, I just wanted to really show you guys this because you know, not every haircut is picture perfect. Some things are just out of your reach, and this is the best I could do. But yeah, anyways, now he knows that for next time, don't always braid your hair, let your hair breathe between, and not to come to the barbershop with your hair still in braids. But he was pretty happy with the haircut. Be sure to go check out his channel. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below. You guys are gonna see this guy loves to be in front of the camera. It sounds like he's, you know, sounds like he's born to be in front of the camera. Anyways, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something new. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Dang,
Bro, we did it.
What do you think? What do you think?
Honestly, it's a change. I honestly thought it would be worse. Honestly speaking, because I was thinking my head was gonna look like an egg, but yo, your boy did it nice. You know what I'm saying? It looks clean.
This, bro. This is annoying.
It is, but you know, I'm gonna go in the shower, get it done. But yo, look at it's good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's nice, bro.
Check all that.
All of it's gone, bro. 2 years. 2 years of hard work is gone, but you know, it's fresh starts. And you know what, bro? He did it good. Come on, for the result. At the end of the day, I knew this was gonna happen, you know? There was nothing left to do, but he did it well, man. You guys gotta check him out. Check him out for sure, yo. He got more videos, and yo, this guy's going crazy, bro. Look at the fade, look at the beard.
Yes, sir.
Come on now, show him some love. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe as usual. Turn on the notification as well. And man, this has been it, man. Thank you very much.